So you want to make a homemade blueberry barbecue sauce, do you? Well, I got you covered. Let's head over to the stove and get started. We have 2 cups of fresh blueberries, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of molasses, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, just a little squirt of honey, 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. So stir up your sauce, bring it to a boil, then we're gonna let it cool, and that's all there is to it. Alright, and our blueberry barbecue sauce is done. When it gets to that boiling point, stir it around for a few minutes, let those blueberries pop, get it to room temperature, and that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna pour this barbecue sauce into my mason jar here. Oh, just look at that. Perfect amount. Well, of course we gotta taste it too, silly. Wow, that is delicious. All those spices in there and the molasses, the perfect thickness. It's the perfect flavor for a sweet, delicious blueberry barbecue sauce. This is gonna be great on any kind of meat, wild game. Lather it up, it goes great with any kind of berries. And there you go, blueberry barbecue sauce.